how to delete your TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you today how to delete your account. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you should go and open your TikTok. After this, you have to come directly and open your profile. So right here, come to this three line at the corner of the screen and go to your settings and privacy. Open account right now. After this guys, you have to go to the last button, deactivate or delete account. Click, and then you should come to delete account permanently. Click on it and you will choose here the reason why you want to delete. For example, safety and privacy things. Click continue, and here click OK and continue and finish the other step, and that's it. Your account will be deleted. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.